Blaise Pascal was a 17th century mathematician and philosopher who made great contributions to both fields. You might have heard of Pascal's triangle? He was born on June 19, 1623. His mother died when he was about 3 years old, so his father moved Blaise and his two sisters to Paris and took charge of educating them. Blaise took to math like a fish to water. While other kids were like, "I like girls," Pascal was like, "I like conic sections." But his dad worried Blaise would reject the classics, so he banned math from their studies. Blaise took to studying geometry behind his dad's back and made up a lot of his own geometry terms. As a teenager, he started working on calculating machines, known as Pascal's calculators. Over 13 years, he built 20 machines and 50 prototypes, including one of the first mechanical calculators. But it wasn't a huge commercial success. It was cumbersome and it was really expensive. It became more of a status symbol for the rich than an actual machine. Pascal is also credited with coming up with Pascal's triangle. It's basically an addition pyramid. Each number equals the sum of the two numbers above it. This creates patterns along the diagonals and the rows and can be used to solve things like probability, combinations, and exponents. Outside of math, he dabbled in the sciences, invented the hydraulic press and the syringe. Pascal may have been a man of science, but his most famous work was entirely unscientific. He had one of the most unique perspectives on religion and faith, particularly the belief in God. Pascal was by no means the first scientist to question or attempt to prove or disprove the existence of God, but his take was unique in its pragmatism. The way he saw it, like a mathematician, the odds of success were what mattered. If you do believe in God and he exists, you win. If he doesn't, well, nothing lost, nothing gained. So Pascal argued, bet on God. You have nothing to lose. This hedging your bets approach to religion became known as Pascal's wager, and it opened up an entirely new way of thinking about religion. Pascal viewed the world in terms of maximizing benefits and returns. So even if you're not a religious person or you take issue with Pascal's wager, you can't deny that Pascal ushered in a new school of religious and philosophical thought. Pascal continued to write on religion and philosophy until 1662, when he died from a stomach tumor at just 30.